If you're into mechanical keyboards, Mercury K1 Lite is good for you. More compact, but has the same beautiful, creamy sounds to it. If you're looking for something a little bit extra, design features Windows Mac capability with USB-C chargeable port, very sturdy, durable stands, very nice feel to it. And it comes with this refined, smooth, glossy border all the way around the keyboard as well as on every single individual key. I mean, look at that thing shine. It is beautiful. And it comes with a full desktop programmable app that installs directly on your computer. You can mess with the settings. You can change the macros on the keyboard, which already has pre-built in macros for you, or you can create fully customizable macros as well. It also has a number of different keyboard lighting effects that you can choose from, or you can have it completely custom mode also. Here is the sound test. So the Gravastar Mercury K1 Lite Edition keyboard. So if you're looking for a keyboard like this, then you can pick it up right in the TikTok shop in the link below.